I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to make delicious pumpkin soup using canned pumpkin. First, let's gather our essential ingredients. You'll need one 15-ounce can of pure pumpkin puree, ensuring it's not pie filling. Also, have 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth ready. Don't forget 1 small onion, 2 cloves of garlic, and 2 tablespoons of olive oil. Finally, grab half a cup of heavy cream and a 1/4 teaspoon each of nutmeg and cinnamon for that perfect flavor. Now, let's build some incredible flavor. Begin by heating 2 tablespoons of olive oil in a large pot over medium heat. Once warm, add your 1 small chopped onion and sauté it gently for about 5 minutes until it becomes wonderfully soft and translucent. Next, stir in your 2 minced garlic cloves and cook for just 1 minute more until you can smell their delightful aroma. This simple step lays a fantastic foundation for your soup. With our aromatics ready, it's time to combine everything. Pour in the entire 15-ounce can of pumpkin puree along with your 4 cups of vegetable or chicken broth. Stir everything together until well combined. Now, add a 1/4 teaspoon each of ground nutmeg and cinnamon to infuse those classic warm flavors. Bring the mixture to a gentle simmer. Then reduce the heat to low and let it cook for at least 15 minutes, allowing all the flavors to truly meld. For the perfect creamy finish, remove your soup from the heat. Stir in half a cup of rich, heavy cream until it's fully incorporated, giving the soup a luxurious texture. Next, use an immersion blender to achieve a wonderfully smooth and velvety consistency. If you don't have one, carefully transfer the soup to a regular blender in batches. Finally, season with salt and black pepper to your liking, then serve warm, perhaps garnished with toasted pumpkin seeds or a swirl of extra cream. Enjoy your homemade pumpkin soup.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.